Hello, y'all on YouTube. This is Rob's Nerdy Knives. We got a special unboxing. I bought a knife from Joshua, and he sent some extra things from possibly for me to have or to give away. So we'll take a look at them together right now. All right, today I'm looking at these boxes, these giftings from Joshua with my Andrew Demko Knives 8020S, the Slim, USA made, and I haven't cleaned it because I used it today to break some boxes down. So you can see I use my knife. All right. So I realize when I'm on camera, that really stands out. Oops, sorry. I don't apologize, but I think it's funny. All right, let's see what we have in here. Okay. Pineapple mini tie, electric peel, and Olight, and a CJRB. Okay. All right. So we'll put that over there. Olight, we've seen these before. I've given these away so many times, but I've actually never opened one myself. I may open this one this time because typically I'm given this to give away, and Josh said I could take a look at it. So first time I feel like I'm actually going to look at this, and because I've been saying, hey, this is great light. So I'm going to look at that in a second, but first we're going to look at this pineapple mini tie electronic orange peel. Don't know what that means, but sounds interesting, right? This is wrapped very cool. Oh, that's cool. Wow, it has orange peel. Nice. Okay, so a little steel clip, aluminum probably. Wait, he said tie, didn't he? Pineapple mini tie. Wow. Okay. All right. This seems very fancy. Okay. So we've got a key ring. Looks like a ring. I'm going to assume. Okay. So a ring there in case you wanted to take the clip off. You've got the rubber band that it was contained in, and some extra O-rings where it goes into. Okay. Very cool. We'll take a look at this. So I'm going to assume it comes off here. And it takes a rechargeable battery. And this is a Li-1044. I wonder if this is the one that can also take a regular one. Wow. This is very cool. I believe it was in like this, if I'm not mistaken. Let's put it back together. It's very dim. Right. This is cool. Wow. Little titanium flashlight. I don't know. I mean, I love carrying this guy right here. Dawson, I believe, machine. That's what this one is here. This was a special gift, so it's very special. But this is really cool. This would be really nice to carry on days when I just need a small light. We'll look at this here in a second, but that's really cool. Let's look at this. A CJRB. CJRBs could be anything, right? It could be a pyrite. It could be, I don't know the number systems, and it doesn't just says number. All right, so let's see what this is. I suspect this is going to be a giveaway, maybe? Ah, okay, okay. A button lock pyrite with the green micarta. ARP M9. That's nice. It's a little sticky, but it feels brand new, unused. Yeah, it looks completely unused. So I'm going to guess this will break in really nicely. So this is a green micarta, steel liners, Wharncliffe pyrite. This looks like a pyrite. I'm assuming it's a pyrite. I should probably look that up because I could be wrong, and you guys could be like, "No, you are wrong. You are completely wrong." Wouldn't be the first time. Wouldn't be the first time. Won't be the last time either. I'll just say that. We're going to go ahead and close. Oops, I did have it right. What's the base? All right, here we go. All right, so I'm going to look this up real quick. It is the Cutlery Pyrite Wharncliffe button lock knife with green micarta. Exactly what I called it. So I was right. I just want to make sure I was wrong. a great little knife, a super budget banger, and certainly, you know, one of the things I love about doing giveaways, and I appreciate people who donate stuff like this, is that sometimes, many of the time, people who win, like if I enter a giveaway, I usually try to do something kind for someone else, unless it's something super cool that I wouldn't mind checking out and then maybe giving away myself. But I still would like to check it out. But this is something I have bought a ton of. We've been given these, and this is a great knife. It is really a great knife for the money. For buying a knife that is $54.95, it's just a really good buy, right? Butt lock, does have the plunge, and they're nice and solid, definitely, and works really great. Now, you also have middle finger reverse bonus flick, because that coated blade is easy to reverse flick, and it works really well left-handed, right? Just like a liner lock. So that's going to be a future giveaway. That's super cool. Really excited about that. So we'll put that one over here. And then we have this right here, which maybe it'll be a giveaway at some point, but I want to try it out. This seems really, really cool for sure. Okay, so this is one that you have to program. Very cool. Very neat. Good though. It's a nice size. All right, I've always wanted to look at one of these. We're going to open one of these today. This will definitely probably be a giveaway, unless sometimes my wife steals stuff. I will tell you, to be fair. I'm for sure Josh wouldn't mind my wife having a decent flashlight if she wants this on her keychain. And if not, and if she does, I will buy another one and give it away, right? Because then now I know she likes this. Read me. Before you first use, unscrew the head. Remove the insulating film from the side before putting a light on. Okay, so we have to unscrew this. There is a AAA battery. There is a film in there. There's the film. And we'll go put this back in. There you are. Does it turn off? Oh, it's one of these. It twists to turn on and off. Okay, so on, off. Let's see here. 90 lumens, made durable aluminum grade with anti-scratch. Type 3 hard anodizing, high light transmittance TIR lens, delivering homogeneous beam. Ultra compact, mighty flashlight, developing extreme design. Fully tighten the head to turn the flashlight on. Slightly loosen the head to turn it off. And that's it. It does have a AAA battery. I think she would enjoy that. Looks like you could possibly program this. Let's see here. How to operate on, off. Looks like it's not programmable. It's pretty basic, right? So 90 lumens is what you get. Yeah, so this one is just one. It's on and off. That's it. This will probably be a giveaway unless my wife really wants it. And then I'll have to buy another one. But I'm going to show it to her. See what she thinks. Leave this in there in case we put it back. I think it would always be smart for her to have a flashlight, if you ask me. And then how does this work? Like that. Yeah. There you go. All right, so I'll have to show this to her. But turns on, twist, off. So here, twist on, twist off. And it's aluminum, hangs on a keychain. And there's the little QR code if you want to see it and scan it. But there you go. You can also see that right there again. Light. So very cool. And then this one right here, I got to figure out who makes this. It's the Pineapple Mini TI Electronic Orange Peel. This is really cool. I like this. So on. 1, 2, 3. So 1. Oh, wait. Okay, this might be programmable. Yeah, mine's like that. Okay, so that tells me it's programmable. When it blinks, that means you can program it. All right, so it's probably one of those programmable ones. Very cool. All right, because mine does that. If you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think if you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I forget how it works. Oh, was that it? Anyways, it's programmable too. It's like some whole instructions on that. A little beyond me, but at this point, because I don't know it, but I'm sure I'll find a video somewhere out there. But there you go. That's going to be a cool future giveaway. I'm going to carry this. Sorry. I'm going to see if my wife wants to carry this. And then if she doesn't, this will be a giveaway. And if she does and she likes it enough, I will try to see about getting another one to give away. This one, I at least want to carry it and try it out because I want, this looks really cool. It just looks like a nice size to have. I mean, I love carrying this one. Problem is the button's kind of big and I always depress it a lot. And it's nice, but it's like, I don't always need a giant one, right? It's good. I mean, it says the guy who used to carry this. This one goes up to 1,000 lumens. So that's definitely, oh, sorry, that's 500 lumens. And then I was carrying this. That was 1,000 lumens. And that was really bright. But there's a place and a time for everything. So we will have to try this guy right here next. So very cool. Now I got to see, I hope this is something that I can put a regular battery in there because you guys might want to know that, right? So, all right, very cool, very cool. Thank you, Josh, for these. Definitely giveaway, no questions asked. I'm going to see if my wife wants to check this one out for sure, right? And then I might get another one, but I'm going to check this one out first for sure. If it's super cool, I'll either buy one and get one in my collection, or I'll buy another one and then give it away to you guys if it's still available, right? Because this is really cool. A pineapple mini titanium electronic orange peel. I think it's kind of neat. It's a neat size, it really is. So just so you can get an idea here, you can look at, these are the levels of flashlights that I have here, and that people could potentially carry, right? Some people consider them all, 1,000 lumens, 500 lumens, 500 lumens, I believe it goes up to 90 lumens. And this little guy is, oh, this one's 90 lumens. This one, I don't know what it goes up to. Maybe 100 lumens or 200 lumens, I don't know. But these are different flashlights that you could carry. And I mean, the first three I have carried. And then this is the one I'm going to try, see how it works out. We'll see. Very cool little flashlight. Thank you, Josh, for that. I at least want to try this out so I can review it because I feel like it should be reviewed. This is something I would EDC. This is in line with what I EDC. I like this flashlight right here. This one's cool too. Let me turn this off. And this one actually has a little clip on there. You can clip this. So this is one of those that actually works as a clip too. If I can remember how to remove it now. There we go. So it kind of comes out like that. And it clips on your pants like that. But you can also move it to the side so you can clip it in or put it on your cap, baseball cap if you're carrying one. And this is the Woburn G5. This is a cool little one. I like this one. We had two of these. One I kept as the official knife flashlight, just because it gave me two, so I figured that would be the case. Maybe one of these will become the official knife flashlights. We will see. All right, guys. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or informative, would you please consider hitting that like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, maybe consider hitting the subscribe button. Subscribing and liking the channel, it really helps me out. It allows me to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you to everyone out there who watches the videos, who enjoys the content, who's part of the community. I appreciate you guys so much. I really do. If you haven't already, maybe consider hitting that notification button down below so you can be notified of future content. That's a neat way to keep up with everything. And again, does liking and subscribing to the channel help? It really does. I just want you to know that it legitimately does. It allows me to grow. And that's how I'm able to do more things and have more people be interested in the channel and me maybe checking stuff out. And then I have chances to give more stuff away. And I love to do that. That's the part that I really love to do. Just personally. So, because that's how I got into the whole EDC community. I started watching this. I never won, but what everybody won, I went out and sometimes bought, and I thought that's really cool, and it was a good price, and so I was like, yeah, that's neat. So that's kind of how I got into it. All right, a big shout out, thank you to my channel members. You do two amazing things. One, just by being members, you encourage me, so thank you, legitimately thank you. Secondly, because of your subscription, your memberships, you do allow me, through your generous support, to allow this channel to do many things that I didn't think I could at this time. For instance, we do the once a week budget banger giveaway. I'm able to check out stuff and ship knives back to the people who let me check things out. So I'm very grateful for that. And then, yeah, by helping me out with those things and letting the channel grow and the giveaways, we had the 10K giveaway recently, you know, all those things, you are huge. You're huge. As my way to say thank you to you, first of all, if you're a brand new channel member, email me your name and address. I'd love to mail you a channel sticker and a thank you note. I really do enjoy doing that with new channel members. Secondly, you're eligible for the once a month, well, everyone's eligible for the once a week budget banger giveaway, but there's a once a month members exclusive giveaway, and you would be eligible for that. Actually, you'd be eligible for both the budget banger giveaway and the members the same week. So just so you know, it's not one or the other. And I usually try to make the members giveaway something a little bit nicer. Hopefully something you'd enjoy winning or giving as a gift, right? That's my goal. If any of that sounds interesting and you're like, hey, wait, isn't there some more? Yeah, there's emojis, special emojis for the comments, for the live streams. Yep. There's exclusive content for members only. Yep. There is 1 year, 2 year anniversary celebrations. Yep. There's going to be a 3-year one. Yep. There's different level tier kind of extras. Yes. There's also kazoo salutes through the live stream, which most people really love. Yeah, there's all of that. And Scottish bagpipes, throat pipes, and all the other ones that we do. So yeah, there's those things that we do too. Scottish throat pipe salute, that's another one. That's all for you guys. It's my way to say thank you. I know some of it's silly, but it is not silly at all to me. It is meaningful because I really do appreciate you. And I want to celebrate you guys because you help celebrate this channel, so I appreciate it. All right, link down below, description, 3 different tiers. You want to be a member, do it. Don't feel pressured. But if you do, not feel pressured, but if you do decide to become a member, not pressured, thank you. Sincerely, thank you. All right. If you haven't already, maybe check me out over on Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.